What's happening, everybody? Thanks for tuning in to Build Ride Repeat. I'm your man's and them Larry, and I just got my. Wait a minute, I don't know if you can see it. Oh shucks! I just got my Man of War flywheels from Darkhorse. Yes, pretty big deal. But unfortunately, on my way to Zippers to drop them off, my Jeep ran hot. I popped the hood and took a look at everything, and apparently my water pump went out. So roadside is gonna come pick me up, and eventually I'll make it to Zippers to drop these off.
One eternity later.
So the roadside assistant guy asked me if the police or state patrol or state trooper ever stopped to like sit behind me with the lights on, and apparently they didn't. And no lights, it's bogus. So we are trying to get over, and they're not letting us merge. You got random people honking at us. Disrespectful.
Is sick.
This is crazy. Thank you, Maryland DOT. For nothing. Can we go down one of these spots, like down on the side of that black truck? Or actually, I can move it too. I can put it in place once I get off the truck.
All right.
So I didn't figure, never in a million years, but I think this would be the route I would take to get to Zippers. But finally made the Zippers. I'm here to drop off my flywheels and wait for my wife to get here so I can with some tools, whatever, so I can like fix this radiator or water pump, wherever it is. So we'll be walking in a second.
In the standard and with the built Yep.
This thing was heavy. Oh my gosh. Oof. So yeah, made it here to Zippers. So yeah, made it here to Zippers. They took the flywheels into the back, and it's been quite an adventurous day. Finally getting the flywheels in. Going to pick them up from UPS. Picking them up from UPS. Getting on the road here to water pump going out in Jeep. Waiting an hour and a half for the tow truck that was originally supposed to take an hour. Then nobody on the highway wanting to let us merge over it and get back into traffic. And finally making the zippers to drop off these flywheels. Man. Whew. So I'm grateful. Now the unfortunate thing of coming back tomorrow with a toolbox to try to fix this water pump on my Jeep. So thanks for tuning in to Build Ride Repeat. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.